Hello students, today we will discuss chapter 1 civics of class 8. Chapter 1 is the need for law and the constitution. We often use terms like rule of jungle where we try to denote a situation of unrest and lack of peace in society. And also we know that we live in a civilized society and it has a systematic code of conduct for all its members. And all the members are governed by same rules. These rules are based on the basic principles of checking the arbitrary exercise of power by anyone. These rules ensures fairness in the justice of administration. Here two terms, code of conduct and arbitrary exercise of power, is very important to understand. So one by one we will understand these terms. Code of conduct means it is a collection of rules and regulations that include what is not acceptable or expected behavior. Arbitrary exercise of power means actions which are not based on any reason or plan. So every country, every place has a law which is known as the law of the land. This is the set of rules that exist in a certain place or a country. These rules are very important for a nation or a place. Why? One by one we will understand from these points. Law of the land ensures safety for every citizen and punishment for those who commit any kind of crime. For example, courts and police forces. They are here to make sure that there should be safety for every citizen, and if anyone who is committing crime, he must be punished. Following these laws makes our life easier. Here we will understand that there are many social evils which are still present in our country. One of them is dowry. Dowry is a social evil. We are familiar with this, and we will try to understand that it comprises the money, gifts and property given by the bride's family to the groom during marriage. In many cases we have seen that this custom has become a tool of exploitation of the bride's family. Because of this, many cases of death, inhuman treatment or heinous crimes against women has been reported by police. So these social evils should not be in our society. To remove these problems, Government of India has passed a law in 1961 which is known as Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. It declared that taking or giving dowry is a crime. If anyone who is found guilty of it, he can be fined, as well as imprisonment of 6 months to 5 years can be given to that person. We know that India is a democratic country. We have our constitution. Why this constitution is important for us, we will try to understand here. In the context of the need of laws, we have seen that there is need of laws because we are living in a civilized society. So there should be peace in the society. The constitution plays a vital role in democratic setup. India is a democracy, we know. Why they are playing a vital role in democratic setup? Because all the principles, provisions, ideals and rules in the interest and aspiration of diverse communities are enshrined in our constitution. India is also a multicultural composition. India has a multicultural composition. It means India is a land of diversity. People from different walks of life, different culture, caste, creed lives here. So it is very important that there should be peace in the society so that their interests and aspirations can be fulfilled. It also provides guidelines for governing a country. There are directive principles given in the constitution which inspires the government to make laws or schemes for the welfare of people. Constitution treats all citizens with equality. We know that equality is the basic principle on which a democratic setup stands, and Indian constitution maintains equal distance from all the religions. We all have the same fundamental right, so we can say that our constitution treats all citizens with equality. Thank you.